guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the week number 8 of our prepping challenge, 10 pounds 10 weeks. Today I popped into Lidl and picked up this lovely array of products. So it was quite nice to see actually, though there were some price reductions, temporary price reductions in Lidl. Normally when we go there and prices normally obviously skyrocket or go up by quite a bit, one of which was actually olive oil. Olive oil now is £4.99, so it's gone up another few pence. However, I managed to pick up sort of a few bits on a slightly discounted price temporary. So without further ado, let's get started. So, right, I've picked up one of the runny honeys and it's now £1.09. This is not, guys, the best honey by all means. However, when we're talking about prepping on the budget, it is best to have something than nothing. There are honeys out there and honeys in Lidl that I bought before. There's like £6-7, which are quite a bit better nutritionally. However, if we're buying this as a prepping thing to put in the cupboard just as a sweetener, they work just fine. So £1.09, one of those is thank you very much. Next thing, guys, I picked up actually is some pitted olives. I bought those before. They actually gone up in price now to 85 pence. Okay, I still think it's a really, really good value. Olives do offer you quite a lot. You can do quite a lot with them in terms of cooking or snacking. And for 85p, I think it's quite a good thing to have in your prepper pantry. Next thing, guys, they had the sauces, which I mentioned before. They have 500 gram different sauces. They have a whole variety. And they were currently reduced from 89 pence to 75p, which is quite a-okay, considering they've been going up in price, guys. So they're gone to 89 pence. And 75p brings us back probably to about 7 months increase before they hit 89 pence, if that makes sense. So anyway, 75 pence, so I picked up a couple of those. Again, I love their jars as well, and I always reuse them, which is brilliant. Next thing is, of course, guys, we've got some black beans and green lentils. And again, they had them reduced a few pence from, I think it was from 55p to 49 pence, which is again really, really good. So I've got 2 of the green lentils and 1 of the black beans. Okay. I also picked up fruit salad. Okay. They've gone up in price as everything, unfortunately. They used to be 89p, then 99p, and now they're currently £1.09. Other thing, guys, is potatoes. Okay, biggish tin, 560 grams for whoever you're watching in America, 38 pence. To be fair, I think they're only gone up from 36p to 37p to 38p, so very, very small increase, although it's been the stage where you guys weren't able to buy them. It's still not a huge amount of them there, but 38p is still a really, really good value. You just have to know how to cook them. Do you know what I mean? It's not saying they're particularly rubbery, but you just got to find the means and ways to make them taste a little bit better. Again, guys, we are prepping for, you know, a stage-to-have situation, and I'm sure a rubbery potato will be much appreciated rather than no potatoes. Right, again, of course, can't go without, guys. I can't go without Lidl or anyway and not buy a rice and pasta. It's like my fetish, like tuna now. Rice, pasta and tuna is my fetish, prepping fetish. Anyway, so rices are 52 pence still, so I picked up 2 of those. And their spaghettis, 28 pence. Again, picked up 3 of them. And then last but not least, guys, is, as spotted on, actually is a peanut oil. If you watch my normal videos of the best prepping fats to keep, peanut oil is one of those. I think it was like number 3 on the list for the really, really good that you can keep it for a really long time and is really, really good for you as well. So it's not particularly the best price, but 500 milliliters and it was £1.99. And because, guys, is this so far we're in the 8th week, okay, and I haven't actually purchased any of the fats, I thought that was a really brilliant idea to be able to get one. And the fact that I don't actually have a peanut oil in my stash, so that was a good one. So there we are, guys, right? The total of that was £10.25, which is just teeny weeny bit outside the budget, but that's a-okay. But I think you might agree, hopefully, it's quite a good selection of bits and bobs. Again, you know, somebody might say, well, where's the protein, where's the meats? Again, I'm doing those shops to show you the idea. You can buy how much you can get for your £10, and we obviously check back on this in 10 weeks' time. I have a lot of tins of protein stuff. I still pick some up if I see some on the deal. But again, we don't always, potentially, not everybody eats meat neither anyway. So anyway, there are my choices. So anyway, guys, well, thank you very much for watching. I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye.